Why black granite slab are a timeless choice for kitchen and bathroom design. Dear friends, there are several reasons why black granite countertops are picked for designing stylish kitchens and bathrooms. From the smooth and polished surface to honed and leather finishes, an ability to blend in with different colors is so amazing and inspiring that they spark the designer's creativity to take flight. Whether matte or glossy, light or glittery veining, the black granite slabs always look beautiful. Walk through this video to discover what makes black granite slabs the best pick for kitchen and bathroom designs. 1. Fabulous look. The look of black granite is bold and stunning and offers immense versatility in interior design, especially when it comes to kitchens and bathrooms. A black granite, such as an absolute black, is perfect to add luxury and sophistication that upscale the entire look of the space without any extra effort. 2. Timeless appeal. Undoubtedly, black is classic. Opting for black granite, like black mist, adds a classic appeal that always looks amazing. Trends may come and go, and different colors may dominate at various times, but black's enduring elegance is such that it remains unaffected by fleeting trends. It always looks sophisticated and chic. This holds true for almost every black granite. It's a built-in benefit that naturally comes with choosing black. 3. Intricate patterns. Black premium granite slabs with patterns like veinings, linear flows, and uneven stripes create a luxurious look. For example, the golden veining in Black Fusion is a marvel of natural design that adds depth and elegance to any interior. 4. Immensely versatile. Black granite's adaptability is found not only in the variety of locations where it may be installed but also in its polish. From leathered, honed, or polished granite, there are many options available to choose from for bathroom and kitchen designs. 5. Long-lasting surface. Black granites are dense and so are stain and scratch resistant and have stronger heat resistance. This is why they are the perfect choice for installing in kitchens and bathrooms, as maximum wear and tear happens here only. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.